Dear Atmas, I am your Atmeshwaran from Atmeshwarar Temple, Tiruvattriyur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. As I told in my last video, we are going to cover the in-depth details about Hinduism in part by part. So I think you have already seen the part 1. This is the second video which we are posting. This will be posted on every Monday and Thursday basis. Today what we are going to see is, in Hinduism you can see 3 types of main gods. Like one is Brahma, who is in charge for the creation, and second one is Vishnu, who is in charge for saving the people, and third one is Lord Shiva, who is in charge for destroying the things. So there are 3 types of job which was allocated to them. So there is almighty power above them, which was segregated into 3, and these 3 are the job. If you see the main job, if you want to create something, is these 3 only. You need a creator, you need a saver, and you need a destroyer. So now in this video what we are going to see is why the structures of this god are made. Like one will be in the air and the other one will be in the sea or in water, and the third one will be in the land. So say for example, like if you see Lord Brahma, who is in charge for the creation, will be there in the sky. He will come from the navel of Lord Vishnu. So why the structure is like that? Why Brahma, the creator, is at the top means the Atmas which is leaving this world will go to the universe. So from that universe only the Atma is getting picked by Brahma, and he will send that to Lord Vishnu, because Lord Vishnu is the saver, and he is having the control of all the living Atmas. So it will come to him through the navel of him, and the birth will be taken place. So the next question is like why Vishnu is there in the sea or else in the water. The main thing is, if you see, for God it is only Atmas. It is not like a fish or else like any other creature or human is different. For them it's all Atmas only. So according to the scenario, the population inside the sea, that means the sea living things are more than like nearly 80% above than our population. So the main job of Lord Vishnu will be there in the sea only. So he is there in the sea. And moreover, if you see, the first creation in this world was made in water only. It came from water only. So he is there in the sea to safeguard all of them. And all the living things need water to survive. And the water is always interlinked. So this is the reason why Lord Vishnu was structured in such a way like he is there in the sea or else in the water. So third, if you see Lord Shiva, why Lord Shiva is there in the land. If you get stick to it, like if the creatures from the sea will come, if they come to the land, they will die. And most of the end of the humans or animals, whatever, so mostly will happen in the land only. It will not happen in the sea or in the air. So 99.9% it is happening in the land. So the destroyer should be in the land, and he should take charge of that. Hence it was structured in such a way like Lord Shiva, the destroyer, will be there in the land, and Lord Vishnu was structured in such a way is there in the sea to save the Atmas, and Lord Brahma, who is in charge for creation, will be there in the universe. So this is the thing. So I think it will give a clear picture why they were structured in such a way like this. If you have any doubts or comments, you can post. We are ready to answer for that. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks. Cheers. Bye. Siva Siva Sivam. Om Atmeshwaraya Namaha. Sivam.